Rated M for mature.
Hi, I'm Mike Mahar. I'm a producer on Fight Night Champion, and I'm here to talk to you today about online. All new in Fight Night Champion is a feature we like to call online gyms. That feature allows you to completely customize your experience from start to finish. You'll be able to create a custom boxer and create a gym or join an existing gym to fight other users and play in a season from start to finish, including a tournament, and crown a champion of your gym. First of all, the online gyms feature is a create boxer only feature. After you created your boxer, you can then begin to fight the other users who are members of your gym. You'll battle off in one-off fights until the season ends. Once the season's done, the tournament begins. All the qualifying users will advance into the tournament round and play in a single elimination tournament to decide who's the winner and the champion of the gym. We've also added Rivalry Challenges. You'll be able to challenge other gyms for bragging rights, experience points, and much more. The team, or gym, with the most points at the end of the Rivalry Challenge will be crowned the winner. All new in Fight Night Champion is online boxer progression. You'll be able to create your custom boxer, deck them out from head to toe in custom gear, and grow their specific skill set by earning XP in every online fight. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our preview for Fight Night Champion's online features. Hope to see you all online this March.